Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Smile with Santina. So this is a very special video. I am going to show you a very beautiful place called Kalakkad. This place is in Tirunelveli district and it is 44 kilometers from Tirunelveli, takes around 50 minutes from my home. The satellite view of the map clearly shows that we are going into a forest area. So this entire journey is going to be fun and refreshing. So let's get started. Right now we are traveling in the national highway, the NH44. The NH44 is running from Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir to the far south Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. This highway is the longest national highway in India with a total distance of 3,745 kilometers. From this spot to Kanyakumari is 84.3 kilometers, but we will be taking a diversion in Nanganeri to reach Kalakkad. So this is the Nanganeri toll plaza. So the green board shows you that if you go straight, you'll reach Kanyakumari, and you take right, you'll go to Nanganeri. So we will be taking right so that you can reach Kalakkad. From here, you need to travel another 10 kilometers in order to reach the town of Kalakkad. But as you can see in the entrance itself, there is a warning board stating this is the Tiger Reserve. In this map, in the bottom right corner, you can see a red spot, and that is Kalakkad. From there, the beside and above of Kalakkad is dense forest. Starting from Manjole, it is a very beautiful hill station. And above that, you have the Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve, then Agastya Malai Biosphere, and a few other wildlife sanctuaries around. This place is a very rich place in biodiversity. So there are so many palm trees around here in this place, and palm fruit is really good for health. There are some really amazing health benefits. You get palm fruit here like easily, you get it easily. This place is really good. You have a lot of trees and some small hills and mountains all around. And right now we are entering into the town of Kalakkad. So this is a quite busy road. There's so many shops around here. But Kalakkad is a very beautiful town. The town still has a very traditional lifestyle, and there's no big modernization. People live with real good peace, and they live with the nature. And we had a small pit stop, and we found some goat lying around there, and the warning board again. So now we are going into the forest area. As you can see, both the side of the road is full of greenery, and it's really refreshing. And can you see a waterfall there? I mean, it looks really small because it's quite far away from here. And this is the forest guard office. The Kalakad Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve is the second largest protected area located in southern Western Ghats in the state of Tamil Nadu, and This place is extremely rich in its biodiversity, and the reserve was created in 1988 by combining Kalakkad Wildlife Sanctuary and Mundanthurai Wildlife Sanctuary, both of which was established in 1962. There is water right in the middle of the road. So the water just crosses through the road. This is a very beautiful place. I really love this place. Every time we come, we find water. We just have fun here for some time. So as you saw, there was a straight road going. We have taken a diversion here, but that straight road will lead you deep into the forest, and there's a very beautiful place called Taliana there. But we couldn't go there due to the lockdown. But I am taking you to the base of the mountain. So here is where people cultivate crops, and there's a lot of cultivation land over here. The main crops that are cultivated here are paddy and bananas. This time they have cultivated bananas and it's already harvested. There is water all around here. The main reason why I come here is for the water. I mean, it looks so good and beautiful. So the Kalakad Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve covers around 900 square kilometers. The combined area of two sanctuaries is a treasure trove for wildlife enthusiasts, and this place is extremely rich in biodiversity. One can spot wildlife here in this dense tropical moist evergreen forest. Like, I have heard stories of people telling they've spotted tiger, elephant, and other wild animals around here. The melodic sound of birds, the harmonical sound of water, and the tuneful sound of wind all together just energizes everyone who come here. This place really refreshes anyone who comes here, and you can have a really good time here. So now we are going a little deeper into the base of the mountains, and all around here you can see is water. The water here is so cold and it's very pure with lot of minerals because it directly comes from mountain. I would say this is the purest form of water. In fact, people here drink this water directly without even purifying. It is that good and filled with minerals. So here I went inside the water. The water is so cold and it sounds really good. I really had a very good time. We come here every time during vacation, and this place never changes. It remains as fresh as this. This amazing place brings a big smile on my face. Hope you too enjoyed this journey through nature. Do visit this place. If you enjoyed the video, Like, share, and subscribe. Keep smiling.